300W Car Power Inverter DC 12V to 110V AC Converter 4.8A Dual USB Charging Ports Car Charger Adapter. Premium 300W Power Inverter provides 300 watts continuous DC to AC power and 600 watts of peak power. Great for charging string lights, laptop, breast pump, CPAP machine, nebulizer, game console, Kindle, TV, DVD players, lights, iPad, and other electronic devices. Fast charging, this car inverter features dual 110V AC outlets and 2 USB ports. 4.8A dual USB ports can automatically detect your devices to deliver optimal charging speed, great for your Kindles, iPhones, iPads, tablets, MP3 players, cameras, and other mobile devices. Mufti-Protection Built-in fuse to protect your device. Safe charging design provides protection against overheating, under and over voltage charging, short-circuiting, overloads, and overcharging. More convenient, plug directly into your cigarette lighter socket. The length of the cord is 33 inch to satisfy people using easily who sit in backseat with fastening tape, which is more convenient to keep. Upgraded cooling effect. Built-in very silent automatic temperature-controlled cooling fan helps reduce heat and prevent shortages. Durable metal housing provides advanced protection from drops and bumps. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.